Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the ESPN app, and let's click on it and let's get started. Before you open the app, it's going to ask you to open notifications on or not. You should click on off or on if you want, and it will ask you to log in, but you can click on sign in later. After you get the app, it's going to show you the homepage. Homepage is like the TikTok For You page, like it will show you the direct content. And also before you sign up for the application, it's going to ask you for your favorite team and stuff. Make sure to fill that out correct and it will change your homepage. So this is the homepage and this is the scores page. It will show the scores of the current matches that are going on. I chose my favorite team as Lakers, so I chose it and it will show me the scores of Lakers. And also you can press on watch to watch the current soccer matches or football or MLB or any of the leagues that you like. These are the top picks and you can click on leagues and it will show you the scoreboard, also the clips that are popular from the league. You can change the sports, you can find the top videos, film spotlight, and featured episodes. There's the channels that are available right now, as you can see, and also you can go to ESPN Plus, which is $10 a month, to find the premium content. Also, you can find the articles that are available. The scores are very beneficial if you're trying to look for a match. And also, this is like the Fox Sports app that I made a video earlier. You can watch the content here and you can search things up. So let's search up my actual team that I like, Fenerbahce. And after you see it, it's going to show you the articles about Fenerbahce that are popular, so it can show you the clips. You can find the scores, the news, the table, and stats, and squad, which is the team. So it can give you information about everything that you want. It's really easy to use it, and you can change the women's tennis, you can choose NCAA football, you can change MMA, UFC, and find everything that you're looking for. This is like a combination of all sports in a single application. And basically, this is very beneficial for those who are looking to watch any sports on your phone. So basically, this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.